This secret U.S. super fighter jet shook the world. Bell Textron has been chosen to go on with the next phase of development of its new high-speed vertical takeoff and landing, or HSVTOL aircraft. Although Bell Textron has not revealed the exact specs of their HSVTOL design, rumors indicate that the Texas-based company's participation in the Air Force Challenge combines the hovering capabilities of a helicopter with the range and survivability of a combat jet. In this video, we're going to look at the secret U.S. super fighter jet which shook the world. We're going to look at the different companies which are in the race to make this aircraft first, its different features, and other futuristic technology. So be sure to stay with us till the end. The suggested aircraft is said to weigh roughly 4,000 pounds, or 1,814 kilograms, and has a design that allows it to perform a range of tasks such as human rescue, tactical mobility, autonomous intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The Bell HSVTOL will be capable of flying at speeds exceeding 460 miles or 741 kilometers per hour. It will boost performance by combining cutting-edge propulsion technology with modern digital flight control systems. According to Bell's Vice President of Innovation, Jason Hurst, the corporation will continue to lay the framework for the production of the HSVTOL idea. He went on to say that the company will soon supply the U.S. Air Force with conceptual designs and development roadmaps in an effort to speed up their platform's development. Bell intends to continue developing its HSVTOL solution over the following 6 months, working closely with the USAF, U.S. Special Operations Command, and the prime contractor to propose its concept for the HSVTOL Concept Challenge. Dr. Reed Melville, Chief Innovation Officer at the Air Force Research Laboratory, highlighted that the HSVTOL Concept Challenge has enabled outstanding VTOL ideas to emerge, which might benefit warfighters. We think the firms chosen to receive market research financing at this level have the potential to produce genuinely game-changing innovation, he added. In January, the U.S. Air Force selected 11 companies to continue with the conceptual development of a high-speed vertical takeoff and landing, or HSVTOL aircraft. The Air Force's Innovation Center, AFWERX, and the U.S. Special Operations Command collaborated on the High-Speed VTOL Challenge, which started in the spring of 2021. The goal of the HSVTOL program is to develop an aircraft capable of flying at 740 kilometers per hour and performing a range of duties such as personnel infiltration, tactical mobility, and aeromedical evacuation, essentially replacing the Air Force's CV-22 Osprey. AFWERX's approach to gathering varied ideas and encouraging collaboration has been praised by program contestants. They're striving to meet the goal of advancing quickly by merging a well-educated and motivated workforce inside AFWERX with the private sector, says Astro Aerospace COO Jason O'Neill. According to Jeff Nissen, Senior Manager for Advanced Technologies at HSVTOL Program Manager at Bell, the AFWERX Challenge is a pretty fantastic method of fostering competitiveness through this process. The 11 companies that submitted concepts include American Aerospace Engineering, Astro Aerospace, Bell, Continuum Dynamics, Jaunt, Jetoptera, Hayaseki, Transcend Air, Valkyrie, Vertigo, and Whisper. Companies have until June 30th to complete Phase 1, concept development, before going on to Phase 2, risk reduction and design. AFWERX will only choose a handful for full-scale prototyping. AFWERX was founded in 2017 by former Secretary of the Air Force, Heather Wilson. It's an innovative arm of the Department of the Air Force that supports both the United States Air Force and the United States Space Force. AFWERX, which is powered by the Air Force Research Laboratory, assists in the transfer of agile, inexpensive, and rapid capabilities by bringing together creative solution vendors with airmen and Guardian talent. They use design thinking workshops, crowdsourcing, collaboration showcase events, and innovative contracting pathways to cast a wide net for industry and academic innovators to apply their latest technologies and solutions to government problems, thereby shortening the time it takes for an idea to become reality. For more than 85 years, Bell has researched high-speed vertical lift aircraft technology, pioneering novel VTOL designs such as the X-14, X-22, XV-3, and XV-15 for NASA, the U.S. Army, and the U.S. Air Force. The XV-3 and XV-15 lessons learned aided in the development of the Bell-Boeing V-22 Osprey tiltrotor, an invaluable platform that changed the way the United States military conducts amphibious assault, long-range infiltration and exfiltration, and resupply, with a cruise speed and range twice that of the helicopters it replaced. Valkyrie Systems Aerospace, or VSA, a cutting-edge developer of manned and unmanned aerial platforms, was also chosen as one of the organizations to advance in the AFWERX HSVTOL Concept Challenge on December 9, 2021. We are delighted to have been chosen to advance in this AFWERX HSVTOL competition. Being chosen just reinforces our faith in the hoverjet design and the potential of our aircraft. Whether for military or commercial purposes, VSA continues to push the boundaries in terms of HSVTOL vehicles, stated Glenn Dawson, founder and CEO of Valkyrie Systems Aerospace. Valkyrie's innovative cutting-edge command and remote flight control systems covers all military services, as well as domestic government partners, manned and unmanned air, land, and sea surface mission needs. Valkyrie Systems Aerospace Managing Partner Steve Tafoya summarized the following steps. In this next phase, we want to further develop our solution and idea in order to give the United States Special Operations Command, USS OCOM, and the United States Air Force with the research required to create a conceptual design that meets their demands and outperforms the competition. There's so many benefits to partnering with AFWERX and the United States Special Operations Command, Dawson added. Whether it's collaborating to create products that can positively impact our service members by assisting in the development of a more resilient and mission-ready military force, or the opportunity for VSA to receive funding for concept development, as well as the potential to form business partnerships with the Air Force or other U.S. government agencies, we're grateful for the opportunity to move forward in this competition. VSA's hoverjets are unmanned, optionally piloted aircraft that support a variety of global missions, such as multi-domain operations resupply missions, civilian and battlefield medical evacuation, personnel and equipment extraction, real-time situational awareness and threat detection, re-establishment of downed communication systems, firefighting, and much more. Jaunt also completed 3 Small Business Technology Transfer, or STTR, contracts for the Agility Prime Officer of AFWERX earlier this year under contracts with the Air Force Research Laboratory. These contracts included Extreme Fast Charging, or XFC, Advanced Thermoplastics Manufacturing, and Acoustics. Jaunt collaborated with BAE Systems and Binghamton University to develop a large-scale fast charging system that is almost twice as efficient as existing chargers on the market. Jaunt verified and evaluated the advantages of employing thermoplastics for large-scale structures in the production process of this new aircraft sector in collaboration with Carbon Aerospace and Georgia Tech. Jaunt Air Mobility announced on February 8, 2022 that it has advanced to the next level of the AFWERX High-Speed Vertical Takeoff and Landing, or HSVTOL Concept Challenge, a crowdsourcing initiative for the United States Air Force, USAF, and the United States Special Operations Command. The firm was chosen as one of 11 from over 200 challenge entries to receive market research expenditures focused on enhancing solutions that allow optimum agility in harsh conditions. The contract calls for the development of 2 conceptual concepts, including the first aircraft proposal for the Multi-Mission Air Vehicle, or MAV-55, which combines the speed and capability of a fixed-wing aircraft with VTOL through Jaunt's highly efficient proprietary SRC technology. Benefits of these novel technologies include reduced aircraft overall acoustic signature. Jaunt's approach is compatible with the larger HSVTOL conceptual framework, which expands the trade space of speed, range, survivability, payload, size, and flexibility to carry out USAF and USS OCOM operations throughout the entire range of combat and political situations. It was named a top-tier entry in the HSVTOL Concept Challenge after reaching or surpassing stringent assessment criteria focusing on technological merit, dependability, scalability, and other issues. Transcend Air Corporation also stated on 1 February 2022 that it had advanced to the next round of the AFWERX High-Speed Vertical Takeoff and Landing, or HSVTOL, Concept Challenge. The 4 fundamental drivers for our civil business model are high speed, VTOL, extended range, and low operating cost, Transcend CEO Peter Schmidt said. Those are the precise characteristics that the USAF and USS OCOM need to swiftly deploy new runway-independent capabilities in response to shifting threats. Transcend has suggested a military version of their Vive 400 civil aircraft, which costs $3.5 million. The fact that all of these corporations are putting their best efforts in developing the new VTOL type of aircraft means that it is more likely than ever that we'll see it sooner rather than later, and this is going to be a nightmare for all of the US's adversaries. How soon can we see the new VTOL futuristic aircraft? If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for everyday military updates. Don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.